Hello YouTube, today we're going to Leedens Tor.
Hello YouTube, me and Tommy are out for a stroll today. We're heading up to Leedens Tor just for a bit of lunch, just to get out for a day, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's a nice sunny day today. It's quite warm in the low 20s, but the wind's picked up. It's quite a cold chill. I wish I bought a jumper really. So yeah, we'll start heading up there. So I don't think I've actually been to Leedens Tor before. Adam may have been this way, but I've not personally been that way.
Sheeptail.
Oh yeah, bit of sheep. Don't touch it.
Ooh. Sheep movie.
So we're going to go check it out, see what it's like. So I believe that there is Leedens Tor. It's quite nice where I am now. You can see all the tors behind in the Merivale area. You see Great Staple, Mid Staple, Ruse, Cox Tor, Great Miss. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. But just heading up there, just gotta go for a herd of Dartmoor ponies. I don't know what the sound quality is going to be like with all this wind. It is pretty windy. Right, we've just headed over to Little Leedens Tor to have some lunch, just because it's a northerly wind and Leedens Tor is getting blasted by the wind. It's quite shouted here, isn't it? Mm. Nice and warm.
I'm gonna look at that hole down there.
Fair enough. So we're just going to have some lunch and maybe we'll head somewhere to another tour.
Or maybe eat more.
But we'll see you after lunch.
See you after lunch.
Alright, that's lunch done. I think now we're just going to head down to Ingra Tor and have a little look. And then probably start heading back to the car, I think. So, I'll see you on the way down there. Just down there is Ingra Tor. But on the way down, you can see everything. You can see the Princetown mast, you can see King's Tor, you can see Great Staple, Great Miss, Cox Tor. Such a nice area. What tours do you want to camp at next?
Maybe we can go on one of the field places. Or is that blocked off?
No idea.
Well, if it's not blocked off, maybe we should camp there next.
Or we could go to that one, which is King's Tor. Yeah.
I went to Princetown after school.
Right, it is bloody windy today. But we're eating lunch out of the wind. And when you're out of the wind, it's so warm. It's really nice. How you doing on the walk? Feeling good?
Yep.
Yep. So we've made it to Ingra Tor. So we're just gonna get to the summit and have a nice look around. You probably won't hear me when I'm up there because it's so windy. But let's get climbing. Tommy, look down there. So if you remember our first ever video on the channel, we've done time on a day practice. We came to this tour and right down there in the ditch we said we'd love to go for a camp. This is completely sheltered, like fully surrounded, so there'd be no wind down there. A really nice walk all the way up to Princetown from here, and that way you go all the way back down to Boya Tor. I think the walk up to Princetown is about 7 or 8 miles from Boya Tor. But it's a really nice walk. It's all gravel path really. Right, I've reached the summit of Ingra Tor. It's quite a nice tour. I think we came into the hole here, but I don't think we climbed it. Although we may have done that side. I think we might have climbed that bit. On a sunny day, it's quite nice. Last time I came here, it was raining. It looked nothing like this. Tommy. Right, we're going to end the video there because we're going to head back to the car, which is probably 2 miles that way. And yeah, that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.